Meet Joe, an active professional who's on his way to the top. And meet Jane. She's got it going on as well. Just like many of us, they exercise regularly and eat healthy. So what's the problem? That stubborn spare tire and muffin top just aren't coming off. Totally uncool. Well, there's a cool new solution. It's called CoolSculpting, a patented, clinically proven, FDA-cleared safe procedure that freezes fat cells, but not your skin, so that they naturally go away. Yep, that means no needles, no knives, no downtime, and no worries. Developed by Harvard scientists and offered only by licensed physicians, innovative CoolSculpting non-surgically targets those fat cells in your body that give you those stubborn lumps and bumps. And with a single visit, you can expect to see an undeniable reduction of fat in just 2 months. Best of all, you can come in during your lunch break, then head back to work in 1 to 2 hours. You've got nothing to lose. Well, except of course those unlovely love handles. Ask your physician for a consultation to see if CoolSculpting is right for you. Find more information in a center near you at CoolSculpting.com. CoolSculpting. Reclaim the real you.
You exercise, you eat right, you do everything you can to look and feel your best. The sad truth is, sometimes that just isn't enough. Most of us form stubborn areas of excess fat. You know, that muffin top, or those love handles. Bulges that are immune to diet and exercise. So your jeans don't fit. Your little black dress is too little, and your mojo is MIA. But now there is something you can do to get rid of the bulges that are keeping you from feeling your best. CoolSculpting is a revolutionary new contouring treatment that uses the power of cooling to eliminate stubborn fat the safe, non-surgical way. Developed by Harvard scientists, this contouring treatment is FDA cleared for fat reduction, with proven results seen in clinical studies. So how does CoolSculpting work? It all begins with a consultation, where you and your doctor will assess your problem areas and create a treatment plan based on your goals and realistic expectations. Then you'll book an appointment to lose that stubborn fat. On your CoolSculpting treatment day, you should arrive wearing loose, comfortable clothing. The technician will apply a gel pad to protect your skin. Then the applicator delivers vacuum pressure and cooling to the targeted site. As the applicator pulls the bulge into the cooling panels, you will feel a firm tug and pinching and intense cold. There may initially be some tingling, but this typically subsides as the area gets numb. The fat cells are targeted and cooled, triggering their natural death. And because fat is more sensitive to cold, surrounding tissue and muscles are not affected. Over the course of the next few weeks, your body begins to naturally eliminate the dead fat cells. As the fat cells are eliminated, the remaining cells condense, resulting in an overall reduction of the fat layer. Depending on your personalized plan and goals, your treatment may last from 1 to 3 hours. When you're finished, you can return to your normal activities, including your workout routine. Some side effects may occur, including bruising and redness, numbness, soreness, or tingling, but they are only temporary. In the weeks and months that follow, you will see an undeniable reduction of fat, and as long as you maintain your healthy lifestyle, the treated fat cells won't come back. In your follow-up visit, your doctor will take after photos so you can really see how effective your CoolSculpting treatment was. You and your doctor will assess your results to determine if you would like to have another treatment on the same area or treat other problem areas. Best of all, your clothes and your confidence will be exactly where you want them. Your little black dress will fit just right. You'll make peace with your two-piece. Your physique in that t-shirt will turn heads again. And those jeans won't be topped off with unwanted bulges of fat. You have the power to get back your swagger. You deserve to look and feel your best without surgery or downtime. It only takes an hour to own your mojo once more. Reclaim the real you with CoolSculpting.
Meet Noelle. She's frustrated with her figure. Luckily, there's a non-surgical procedure that can help moms, or any woman, transform herself. It's called CoolSculpting. CoolSculpting's innovative, non-invasive technology freezes and naturally eliminates fat from the body. With no needles, no special diets, and no downtime. You can have the body you want without altering your entire lifestyle. Transform yourself with CoolSculpting.
CoolSculpting targets and cools fat cells to temperatures that trigger their natural death. Importantly, because lipids and fat crystallize faster than normal cells, there is no damage to nerves or other tissue. Over the next few weeks and months, the fat cells shrink and begin to die as the patient's own body metabolizes them and naturally eliminates them. The overall fat layer is significantly reduced, which results in a noticeable and measurable reduction in the fat bulge around the targeted flank.
We are proud to offer CoolSculpting in our practice. CoolSculpting is the world's leading non-invasive fat reduction treatment, with millions of treatments performed worldwide. The New York Times says the leading procedure in the non-invasive body contouring category is called CoolSculpting. New Beauty magazine readers voted it tops for treating fat pockets and freezing them away. You may be wondering if CoolSculpting is right for you. Ask your clinician for a CoolSculpting consultation today. Mirrors. They show us all our problem areas. Those places where we carry excess fat. Perhaps you've noticed that your clothes don't fit the way they used to. Or maybe you've been working out but still can't seem to lose that stubborn fat. CoolSculpting targets and eliminates fat in problem areas such as your abdomen, flanks, and thighs. And now, thanks to the latest CoolSculpting technology, you can also reduce that excess fat under your chin. Love what you see when you look in the mirror. Ask your clinician about CoolSculpting today. CoolSculpting is a patented cooling technology that targets and kills fat cells with no surgery or downtime. Your clinician will work with you to develop a treatment plan personalized to your specific fat reduction goals. Each treatment lasts as little as 1 hour. During treatment, your CoolSculpting provider will first attach the applicator. This non-invasive procedure freezes the fat away without harming the skin. During the treatment, you can relax, read, browse the internet, or even nap. After treatment, you can immediately return to your normal daily activities. You may start to notice results in a few weeks, but best results are seen in about 2 to 3 months. CoolSculpting treats the problem areas that bother you the most, including that double chin.
After getting the CoolSculpting procedure, it gave me back the body I had before I had kids. I feel much more confident.
It feels so good to just put on anything and know that I look as good as I've ever looked. I don't have to think about what I wear and how it's going to make me feel anymore. I know everything I put on is going to make me feel good. And that's a new feeling.
Just makes you feel kind of a little bit more like, I can do this. I can do this.
Now's the time to see a slimmer you. Take the first step and get your CoolSculpting consultation today.